Today, I'll show you how to add a Facebook feed to your Squarespace website. Integrating a Facebook feed can be a great way to keep your visitors engaged by displaying real-time updates directly from your Facebook page. It's a simple process, and I'll walk you through each step so you can do it effortlessly. First, we're going to utilize a handy tool called Elf Site. If you haven't heard of Elf Site before, it's a fantastic platform that provides customizable widgets for your website. So let's dive in. Head over to Elf Site's website. Once there, you'll want to find the Facebook feed widget. This tool allows you to connect your Facebook account and display its feed on your site seamlessly. After selecting the Facebook feed widget, you'll need to connect your Facebook account. Don't worry, this is straightforward. Follow the on-screen instructions to log into your Facebook account and grant the necessary permissions. This connection is crucial as it will allow the widget to pull content directly from your Facebook page and display it on your Squarespace site. Once you've successfully connected your account, it's time to publish the widget. ElfSite will provide you with a code. This code is what will bring your Facebook feed to life on your website. Be sure to copy this code as you'll need it in just a moment. Now let's switch over to Squarespace. Log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the page where you'd like to add your Facebook feed. Once you're on the correct page, click on the Edit button. This will allow you to make changes to the page layout and content. Next, you'll need to add a new block. In Squarespace, this is done by selecting Add Block and then choosing the code option. This step is important because the code block is where you'll paste the widget code you copied from ElfSite. Once the code block is open, you might see some placeholder text. Go ahead and delete any text that's in there. You want to start with a clean slate. Now paste the widget code you copied earlier from ElfSite into this block. It's as simple as copying and pasting, but make sure you don't accidentally alter the code, as this could prevent the widget from displaying correctly. With your code pasted and ready to go, the final step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button in Squarespace and click it to ensure all your hard work is preserved. Once saved, navigate back to your live page to check out your new Facebook feed in action. It should now be beautifully integrated, displaying all the posts from your Facebook page directly on your Squarespace site. And there you have it. You've successfully added a Facebook feed to your Squarespace website. This integration not only keeps your site dynamic, but also encourages your visitors to engage with your Facebook content. I hope you found this guide helpful, and now you can enjoy the benefits of having a more interactive website. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out for help. Thanks for watching, and happy website building.